Let me just shut my ass up and listen. Love this. Oh.
그래 방탄처럼 그게 말은 쉽지 우린 팀툴 누가 맨날 뛰어넘네 웃기기는 한데 사실 안 웃기지 10년은 말야 어린 반프 not stop yeah pull up at your block we gon' knock yeah head your let it fun fella pop
Ooh, this stanky. I love it. Woo. Come on. Uh-huh. This one right here. This one right here. I like this a lot. Woo! Woo!
Hit him up like pop. Hit him with the truth like rock.
What?
Time to pay your debt. Feel me not.
Woo.
Let it be. Let it bleed.
Let it bleed.
And it's split.
Wait. You gotta go back with that one.
Feel me not. Let it be. Let it bleed. Hit it lit. And it's split.
Woo!
Yeah. Pull up at your block. We gon' knock. Yeah. Had your little fun, fella. Pop. Yeah. Came back for what's mine. We gon' stop. You know how I do. You know how I do. Put your brand new. Carry on that brand new.
Hey.
You know how we do. You know how I do. You know how I do. Put your brand new. Give me on that brand new. You know how we do.
2.0 hit just different, bro. Damn, I think I like that more than Fire though. I think so. I think Fire overall as a bro, I know I'm gonna get lit to Fire. But something about 2.0